to do a least squares line on Desmos. So first you need X's and Y's to work with. So let's get a table and let's put 30 and 66 and 34 and 79 and 27 and 70 and 25 with 60 and 17 with 48 and 23 with 55 and 20 with 60. These numbers came from the book. What are they? X is the random variable that represents the fall caribou population in Denali National Park. And Y, it represents the late winter wolf population. And they're going to see if there's any correlation between the caribou and the wolf population. So we have our list. Remember how to find correlation? Go here to stats, correlation, CORR, there it is. And then you want X sub 1, find the sub 1. Then be sure you get back up there to get your comma. Nope, that's way down there. So sometimes it takes a while to get, there it is. Comma, and then Y sub 1. That gives, it's a 0.91. That's our R. So 0.91 times 0.91 is going to be pretty close to that 0.81. I mean, we could figure out right here. 0.915 is about 0.912 squared. I'm sure they have a squared. Go to the original and square it. About 0.8464. So 1 minus 0.8464 is the numbers that R squared. That's our R squared. That's our 0.8464 is the coefficient of determination. And 1 minus 0.81 or 0.84, about 0.15. 15% is unexplained between those two variables. Then let's do a line. So y equals mx plus b is the one we memorized, but this one will be y sub 1. And then you look for this. See that squiggle? Instead of equals, put that. Y equals m. So we need m. M, x plus b. M. Okay. And then x, but we want the sub 1 plus b. Y equals mx plus b is how we can put it in. And that gives us, here's right there, r squared. More precisely, r, what it is, 0.915. They took the 0.915 and squared it. So it gives you the r, it gives you the r squared. It tells you where it crosses the y-axis at 22. No wonder it's not showing up on here. There's the about 22, and there's showing in between all those points on the scatter plot. So, see, we didn't even have to do this part. It gave us more precise. We could have skipped because they give us r squared, and they put it on the plot. So there you go for least squares line.